Spring is here, and there's nothing quite like gathering with friends and family to celebrate the season. Whether it's a casual brunch, a lively barbecue, or an elegant dinner party, having the right kitchenware can make all the difference in creating memorable moments. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. And guess what? Our spring season sale is now live, offering amazing deals on all the essentials you need to host the perfect gathering. Let's dive into some must-have products that will elevate your spring entertaining. First up, let's talk dinnerware. A beautiful set of plates and bowls not only enhances the dining experience, but also sets the tone for your entire event. When selecting dinnerware, consider materials like porcelain or stoneware for their durability and timeless appeal. And don't forget to choose designs that reflect your personal style, whether it's modern, rustic, or classic. Here are some fantastic options from Amazon Spring Sale. The Gibson Home Ultra Break and Chip Resistant Dinnerware Set is not only beautiful, but also incredibly durable, perfect for everyday use. The vibrant red floral design adds a cheerful touch to any meal, while the break and chip resistant construction ensures long-lasting use. For an elegant and timeless option, consider the Corelle Boutique Cherish Embossed Square Dinnerware Set. This set features a delicate embossed pattern that adds a touch of sophistication to your table. It's versatile enough for both casual and formal dining, and the lightweight, durable material makes it easy to handle and store. If you're into Asian cuisine, the Farielyn X Porcelain Ramen Bowl set is ideal for serving delicious dishes with an authentic touch. Each set includes 2 large bowls, chopsticks, spoons, and dipping dishes, all featuring a unique, reactive glaze that adds an artistic flair to your dining experience. Known for its quality and style, the Le Creuset of America tabletop dinnerware is perfect for any occasion. This premium set is crafted from high-quality materials and features a sleek, modern design that complements any table setting. It's a great investment for those who appreciate both form and function. For versatility, the Sweese porcelain bowls are a kitchen staple. These bowls are perfect for a variety of uses, from breakfast cereal to hearty soups. The classic white design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, and the durable porcelain construction ensures they can withstand daily use. The Mora ceramic dinner plates combines functionality with a modern rustic design. These plates are not only beautiful but also highly practical, being microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe. The scratch-resistant surface ensures they stay looking new for longer. And to add a splash of color to your table, the Elama Stoneware Round Oval Dinnerware is a vibrant choice. The rich ocean blue color brings a fresh, coastal vibe to your dining experience, and the sturdy stoneware construction makes this set both stylish and durable. Next, let's fire up the fun with our range of grills. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, choosing the right grill can make outdoor cooking a breeze. Consider factors like size. Do you need a portable grill for picnics or a larger one for backyard barbecues? Also think about fuel type. Gas, charcoal, or electric, and how it fits your cooking style. Check out these top picks from the spring sale. The Le Creuset enameled cast iron signature square skillet grill is perfect for achieving those signature grill marks with ease. Its enameled cast iron construction provides excellent heat retention and even cooking, making it ideal for searing steaks, grilling vegetables, or even making paninis. The durable enamel coating is easy to clean and resistant to chipping and cracking. For a versatile option that offers multiple cooking functions, the GreenPan 6-in-1 multifunction contact grill and griddle is a great choice. This innovative appliance can be used as a contact grill, open grill, griddle, and panini press. It features reversible grill and griddle plates with a healthy ceramic nonstick coating that is PFAS-free, ensuring a safe cooking experience. Dual heat settings allow for precise temperature control, making it perfect for a variety of dishes. If you're into outdoor adventures and picnics, the Hisencn portable flat-top grill ideal. This compact and portable grill is designed for easy transport and setup, making it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, and picnics. The flat-top surface provides ample cooking space for burgers, hot dogs, and more, while the durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. And for everyday grilling, the NutriChef anodized non-stick grill is easy to clean and perfect. This grill features an anodized non-stick surface that ensures even cooking and easy food release. It's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup, making it a convenient option for busy households. The compact design is perfect for small kitchens or apartments, while still offering ample cooking space for your favorite grilled dishes. No gathering is complete without the right glassware. Whether it's sipping wine, enjoying cocktails, or serving refreshing lemonade, having the right glasses adds a touch of sophistication to your event. When choosing glassware, consider the type of drinks you'll be serving and the aesthetic you want to achieve. Here are some great options we recommend. The Bormioli Rocco Bodega Collection glassware is perfect for water, beverages, and cocktails. These clear, tempered glass tumblers are not only durable but also stylish, making them suitable for both everyday use and special occasions. The 17-ounce capacity ensures you have plenty of room for your favorite drinks. For a charming addition to any gathering, the Estilo mason jar mugs is a great choice. These mason jar mugs come with handles and straws, adding a rustic and nostalgic touch to your drink presentation. They're perfect for serving iced tea, lemonade, or even cocktails at your spring gatherings. Beautifully crafted and perfect for wine lovers, the red wine glasses set is a must-have. These hand-painted wine glasses are inspired by the Duomo di Milano and feature intricate designs that make each glass a work of art. The 28-ounce capacity allows for generous pours, making them ideal for enjoying your favorite red wines. For enjoying brandy or cognac, the JoyJolt Brandy Glasses Cask Collection set is elegant and ideal. These 13.5-ounce crystal snifter glasses are crafted with premium quality craftsmanship, providing an ultra-elegant design that enhances the drinking experience. The perfect size for savoring your favorite spirits, these glasses are a must-have for any connoisseur. And for a unique and stylish option, the Dragon Glassware Wave wine glasses are sure to impress. These wine glasses feature a distinctive wave design that adds a modern twist to your glassware collection. Made from high-quality, lead-free crystal, they are perfect for serving both red and white wines, and their elegant design makes them a conversation starter at any gathering. Don't miss out on these incredible deals. The Amazon Spring Season Sale runs until March 11th, 2025, so grab your favorite products before they're gone. Whether you're looking to complete your kitchenware set or just want to add a few new pieces, we've got everything you need to make your spring gatherings unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching, and here's to a season full of wonderful memories.